Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to remove harmful mucus from the body in a soft and tasty way. To prepare a home remedy you'll need a small piece of ginger root, a teaspoon of honey and a quarter of a lemon. Peel the ginger root and cut it into small pieces. Teaspoon of ginger, pour a glass of boiling water. Cover with a lid and let it brew for 10 minutes. In the finished product, add honey and squeeze the juice of lemon. Use a warm drink half an hour before meals. 2-3 cups a day for 10 days. The drink removes accumulations of mucous plaque in the stomach. It also breaks down constipation and restores metabolism.